To change the default search engine in the Samsung Internet app on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, open Samsung Internet app. Tap the three horizontal line icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then tap Setting. Tap Address Bar Search. Under Search Engine section, select the desired search engine you like to set as the default. As the example, we will select Bing. To see the result, tap the back key twice to go back to the home page. Next, tap the address bar at the top of the screen. Type something and then type Go on your keyboard. As you can see that your phone will automatically search the keyword you type on the address bar on the selected search engine, in this case on Bing. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.